porch light here. It's been a beautiful day outside. We got clear skies finally, and we are in the greenhouse. Yeah, we got the two fans going on solar. Still got figs, still got lemons, still green. Now, that's looking a little crazy because it needs some water, but that's gonna snap right on back. And look at that, y'all. 88 degrees. When I came in here, it was 100. Max was 129. Wintertime, y'all. You can't beat that. So yeah, nothing serious, nothing too crazy. Just showing y'all what I got going. I see these lentils, these fava beans. Yeah. So look, y'all, just a quick tour of the greenhouse. We got action in here. I thought these fans would cool it off a little bit more, but it is hot in the greenhouse. And it's gonna hold this heat for the nighttime and keep these guys nice and warm. All right, y'all, porch light out.